everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday evening. I have a fun Target box for you guys today. Check it out. Now, I've been ordering a lot of stuff from Target because I'm not going out of the house. And I'm not doing the ship it. I'm doing where they actually deliver it. I have the Target Red Card. And it actually has been working out fairly well. So my last order, I did include the April Target Beauty Box to see what I got. They have a list of the things. This one is called Clean Routine, and there's a list of things, a $3 off coupon, which I'm not going to the store, but I just wanted to dig in here. I kind of looked to see what they had, and one of the things that I thought was pretty cool was a charcoal-infused tapered bristle toothbrush from Hello, because of course I could always use a toothbrush, and I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe this charcoal infused one is kind of cool, so I got that. And I also got a Hello hemp seed and coconut oil extra freshening fluoride free toothpaste. So that was kind of a fun deal. So we got a toothbrush and a toothpaste, and then I also got the moisturizing brightening formula vitamin C serum from Art Naturals. I don't know what this smells like, but again, these boxes are $7. Did I mention that? I can't remember if I mentioned that or not. I need scissors to get this off. But I feel like these are a good deal because you do get free shipping. So if you see, and they show you exactly what's in the box, so you know what you're getting. So if you see something that you like, then it's pretty easy to just pick out. Let me see. This doesn't have any scent at all. It just looks like a vitamin C serum, so that's pretty cool. So we got that. And then we got a healthy deodorant from La Vanilla. La Vanilla. How fun is that? Let me open this up. I always like these natural deodorants. I don't like heavy perfume or like aluminum-based deodorants. This one doesn't have a little bit of scent. I was going to say it has no scent. Oh, do you push it up? How do you open this guy? Oh, you know what? It has a turny thing. A turny thing. That's very, very scientific. It's a turny thing. Ooh. Oh, it smells good. So, this one is pure vanilla. It doesn't smell exactly like pure vanilla, but it's a very pleasant scent. It's very light. Like hardly there, but I'm definitely excited to try this because I just ran out of my one Schmidt's deodorant, and I think I have a few of those laying around, but I'm pretty excited to try this out. And then the final thing we got was Love Beauty and Planet coconut milk and white jasmine. Oh, hand cream, of course. Let me see if I can get this open. I got it open. Okay, here, let me see. Why am I having trouble with this? Okay, I got it. I got it, you guys. Okay, let me try. Oh, this is a thick hand cream. Coconut milk with white jasmine. Oh, my mom's going to like this one a lot. She's been using, so we both have been using hand cream like crazy. Oh, that's kind of nice. So it's floral, not my thing, but it's a nice floral. It's more of a jasmine. My mother is going to love this. Coconut milk and white jasmine. I'm passing this off to you, Mom. This is the new Target Love Beauty and Planet hand cream. So that's a decent amount, too. So overall, I think this was a pretty decent box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. So everything was like $1.25 each. Nice samples. Kind of exciting. You know, I don't know about anyone else, but is anyone else like super excited when the mailman comes? Being someone who has not left the house, literally, other than I went to McDonald's once, like probably 20 days ago through the drive-thru, disinfected everything. I went to the pharmacy drive-thru once. Other than that, I have not bought gas. Oh, there's my mother's phone going off. little musical interlude here. But I literally have not left the house in the past 30 days. I mean, we're just not going out at all. We're ordering everything in. So for me, it is, oh, there she got it. It is super exciting to see when I see the mailman. And I do, you know, like, I try to like let everything disinfect for a day or two, like you're supposed to do. I'll wipe it off. But getting mail is definitely the highlight of my day now, other than doing YouTube videos. I'll have to say, I love hanging out with you guys a couple times a day, just interacting. I know I've been a little bit behind on my comments. I try to catch up on those every evening, but I love reading all of your comments, seeing how everyone is doing. So that's what I've been doing on this Friday night. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will have more tomorrow. I got so much to review. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you want me to review. I have a BoxyCharm. I still have a bunch of Bath and Body Works stuff. I got all kinds of stuff. So anyway, thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.